Phonic practice at 8. Rat, rate, mat, mate, hat, hate, can, cane, pan, pain, sam, same, sham, shame, cap, cape, tap, tape, bar, bear, car, care, cake, date, take, make, wave, spade, gave, brave, name, came, fair, stare, Jane, lane, pale, sail, gape, shape, wave, save. Phonic practice at 8. Rat, mate, hat, hate, can, cane, pan, pain, sam, sham, shame, cap, cape, tap, tape, bear, car, care, cake, date, take, wave, spade, gave, brave, came, fair, stare, Jane, lane, pale, sail, gape, shape, wave, save.